How did the solar system form? The solar system began as a massive cloud of gas and dust 4.6 billion years ago. This cloud was one of the so-called star factories, known as birthplaces of stars. Some of the gas and dust cloud gathered in the center under the influence of gravity and formed the sun. The remaining gas and dust began to spin along their orbits, and over time planets such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were formed, which were large gas giants. However, the inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed very differently. As these planets were closer to the sun, they received more heat due to solar winds and solar rays. This heat caused clouds of gas and dust on the surfaces of the planets to fly away and form the cores of these planets. As a result, the formation of the solar system was a combination of many factors. However, this process is not yet fully understood, and with the development of astronomy, more information may be discovered. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.